My study is the Household Food and Health Study. So we're looking at measuring how healthy and sustainable the food is that people are eating across the island of Ireland. We're going to be measuring 1,500 households all across the island, and all of this data is going to come together to give us evidence that we need to decide how we need to change to be more sustainable in the future.
I would say what really motivates me is knowing that our research has that real-world application. And it's really exciting to see this new emerging advice around sustainable, healthy diets that can benefit our health and also protect the planet at the same time.
So there's 3 key people or stakeholders that I think about when I'm thinking about my research. That's policymakers, so the people who make the rules about the food or the standards. That's consumers, which are the primary people that I'm thinking about because I'm measuring consumer outcomes. And 3 would be industry, so the people who are actually making the food. Because I'm trying to get a picture or a snapshot of what's happening on the island, we need to get a really broad slice of the population. So I'm really looking to engage with consumers and lots of interest groups and specific communities so that they can be brought into my study and be able to lend their voice to the research.
We really want to practice engaged research. So there'll be a constant dialogue, chance for our participants to feed back to us, and then we can understand really what's working, what's not working. And we also are planning to run these workshops for our study participants or anyone that's interested in joining the study. And they'll be fun, engaging, informative and family friendly. And they're really centered around our main themes of food, nutrition, health and sustainability. So in 5 years' time, I would hope that we're making steps towards change and we're adapting the current healthy eating guidelines and other public health guidance. And if we're also engaging with our industry partners, then again, if we're working side by side with them, we can hopefully be producing more sustainably sourced food and just more sustainable products in general. So thanks to the highly collaborative nature of the Co-Centre, I'm now working directly with some of the top nutrition researchers in the country. And it's also just fantastic to see all of the food science and nutrition researchers in one room working together towards this common goal of, improving our food system to make it more sustainable.
Because I'm an international student, I really needed to land in a project that would give me a good network. And that's what I get from the Co-Centre. I get to work with experts in the field all across the UK and Ireland and into Europe. I'm really excited for where this is going to take me next.